Yo, y'all can't even see me, but what's good with y'all? Back at it again. I hate saying that. I'm making another video. That's what I'm gonna say. It's like 3:49. It's 3:50. I don't know. I just want to go on a little drive, so I went to Wawa and got me something to drink and all that. And I'm on my way back in the house. But yo, now ever since I made my YouTube channel on my car, I just seem like I've been seeing more people make it videos on like SS's, and it just like motivate me to like keep my car and like build it up. Cause it's the Stormbreaker, I think it's Stormbreaker 83. The Sky is the Limit 83. Sky is the Limit 83, I think that's his name. I believe that's his name. I'll leave his link in the description and everything. But his junk look all like with the different wheels and all that. Then the other boy, what's his name? Trey? T Baby or something like that. I'm just call that man T. I ain't call the other man Baby. What I look like. His junk look nice and his junk stock. Like he just added the intake on that junk. That junk look hot when it's gray. So just motivate me to keep mine, you know? Do something different. As you can hear it. You can hear it? Sound nice. Ain't mine stock. Ain't mine need work done to it, so it is what it is. I just want to go on a little run. I'm getting my trains rebuilt. Hopefully one day this week, I'm gonna put it in the shop and see what they talking. Damn, all these bumps. I'm gonna see what they talking and everything. Yeah, we're just gonna go from there. I got a whole list of what I need to get done or what I need to order for parts wise. Excuse me. I'm gonna redo like the whole front suspension, like from lower control arm, upper control arm, sway bar links, sway bars if I need it, tire rods, and what else I need? That's it. New tires. I need new tires. Definitely. I definitely need new tires. What else I need to get done? Like I said, I'm just reading the whole front suspension and everything. And just keep it like that. I already got one set of tire rods. I think I need to order the other side. I already got my oil. I just want to do everything at one time, like everything, or like parts by parts. Oil, I could do that myself, or I get somebody to do that for me. Like that's not a big deal, and I don't need an oil change and stuff like that. But I'm getting the drill and slotted rotors. I seen them on Amazon for like $160 for the whole set for the front and back. I know the boy. The Sky's Limit boy, he got something on his job. And I'm mad. Like, I wish they would have built our car, like these SS's, I wish they would have built them better. I wish they would have not built them better, but like made them better. Like, I just wish they would have made them better. Like, y'all still can't see him, but it's cool. I'm not gonna cross. Like, I wish those cars came with paddle shifters, the drill inside the rotors, the colored calibers. Like a beefier suspension, better suspension. Like it's made like a sports car. They just threw a truck motor in this car and called it an SS. It still got the same V6 transmission that came with the LTZs and the LSs and the LTs. Like why? Like don't get me wrong, our car really fast off the line. Like it's fast, but they should have just made it better. Like the only thing they did was change the gauges in the car and put SS in the embroidery in the seats. If you really think about it, our car is the same thing as an LTZ. Leather seats, and that's it. The difference, our car got the different gauges and the SS in the seat. That's it. They should have made our car better. And if they would have made our car rear wheel drive, it would have been a problem. Oh yeah, tell Monster to sponsor me, yo. I need to get a sponsorship by Monster. I need, like, oh, and I changed my name from Jameer Barker to That Black SS. Y'all really can't see me. I'm really black. Hold on. Yeah, it's like I was saying. I changed my name from my regular name to That Black SS because I want to be known as That Black SS. Oh, who coming down the street? That Black SS. Oh, who that party over there? That's That Black SS. You hear me? Like, stuff like that. So, I'm out the rough. That's it. But yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I'm be known as, That Black SS. So, subscribe to That Black SS. That just seemed more like fun. That Black SS. I really need to get a sponsorship by these people. I drink these every day, twice a day. And I'm mad because they don't sell them in that big case, like the black one, like the case of like 24. I will buy that case, even though it's like $30. I will buy it because you really peep. I spend what? I drink 2 a day, sometimes 3. So take 2 a day. 2 a day, they like $3 or some change. So that's around like $4, right? 4, that's $8 a day. 7 times 8, 56. I don't know 56 times 4. I don't know that. If I do 50, 50, 50, 50, that's 200. I'm always gonna cut off by low battery, the alarm. So I 56 times 4, I don't know, 50, 50, 100, 50, 50, 100, and 6, 12, 18, 24. Is that 224? Let's check. All right, so I was right. It's 224 a month on Monster. They need to sponsor me. That's 224 times 12. All right, so I'm kind of mad because I had this video recorded. It was like 20 minutes from like 2 days ago. Well, yesterday. And I was gonna upload it right now. Well, this morning, it's like 4:41 this morning. So I was gonna upload it around like 8, 9. But I'm trying to upload it. It's something that's corrupted, all this other stuff. I'm pissed. It was like 22 minutes of footage I just lost. But basically, I was saying in that video is I'm gonna get my car. I'm gonna get the trans redone. Basically, I'm saying after every video, I'm getting a trans rebuilt. It's gonna be like 2,000. I already basically told you whatever I'm getting done. Lower control, upper control arm, hub bearings, ball joints, brake and rotor, struts, tie rods, wheel alignment, spark plugs, transmission, sway bar links, air filter, transmission cooler, shift kit. I need windshield wipers. I'm not getting no aftermarket headlights. I'm just gonna get the headlight bulbs like the blue johns, tail lights, exhaust tips. I need to get my whole exhaust done. I'm cutting off my catalytic converter. If you didn't know, I'm cutting it off. Cutting the catalytic off, the resonator and both mufflers. So it's gonna be fully straight piped. Front bumper, rear bumper. I need a gas cap, a hood strut, and tires. That's really it. The only thing that's gonna cost me is the transmission, bro. For real. All the other stuff just low. $100 here, $200 there, $300 here. Only thing I got done to my car was the motor mounted serpentine belt. I got that put in. I'm trying to suck off fast, so just trying to get this over with. I'm gonna upload this video today or when I'm at work. That's really it. The only thing I was saying is like tell Monster to sponsor me. That's it. I got a whole like list of what I need, car parts I need to buy. Yeah, that's really it. And I'm not sure what type of tires I want to put in my car, like size wise, because the standard size is 235, 50, 18. I want to go wider, like wider a little bit. Still keeping the 18s, but like probably like 255 or 245, like 42, 55, 45, 18, probably or something like that. I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do, but I need the haircut. I'm wearing my class of 2019 shirt. They got me on it. That's really it, for real. I I'm gonna take my car to the transmission shop either my next day off. I should have did it. It's my 2 days off because I gotta work the rest of this week, and I don't know if I gotta work at my other job. Like I quit. Well, I really didn't quit. I just didn't show up, and I told him what happened. He never texted me back, so I gotta text him today, later on, and ask him if I'm on the schedule. If I'm not on the schedule, I'm just not going to be on the schedule. That's just how it is. That's how it's gonna go. You're not gonna get every job. Like you're not gonna keep every job. And this job, that job was easy, but it don't matter. This job I'm at now, I get paid, make more money, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm trying to make me a YouTube intro of my car. I just need more pictures and stuff. That's really it. That's just how it would go. My name is that Black SS, you hear me? I'm gonna make me another IG. I mean, like another Instagram of my car, just for my car. That's really it. Make me another IG, so I'm gonna include that link into the descriptions on my videos. Snapchat, Twitter, gonna be the same. I know I'm just mumbling, but yeah, that's just how it is. This all raw, uncut footage. I don't need to keep pausing, cut here, cut there. All raw, uncut. You hear me? But car builders on the way, about to drop a bag, and I'm trying to look for my own spot to live. You hear me? I live with my mom currently. That's the shit I'm talking about. Every time she say a little better, she cut me off. But like I was saying, I'm trying to get my own apartment and all that, or something like that. I live currently with my mom, so I'm trying to do that and build my car as safe as possible. Anything is possible. Yeah. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna title this video, I've made up my mind. I've made up my mind though. I really have. I'm gonna get the Transit built. It's the cheapest thing. It's not even about the money, it's just like what's gonna happen in the long run. Do I want a car note that's gonna depreciate? If I would go get this $30,000 car in 5 years, it's gonna be worth $30,000. It's not. It's gonna worth like $10,000, $15,000. So that the car depreciate in 5 years, depreciate half of its value. That would make sense to me. Even though it's gonna be like, it's not even the car I want. So that's how I look at it. Why not keep this car until I get it into a better position in my life and then get the car I want? Because the car I want is a Hellcat, but I drive Impala SS now. I'm not gonna jump from an Impala SS to a Hellcat like tomorrow unless I made magical happen. So it all depends on your life and how you run it. And that's disrespectful. You can't jump from a 5.3 to a 6.2 supercharged 707 horsepower. That's very disrespectful. You can't disrespect that car. That car will disrespect you right back. So I'd rather jump from SS to like a Scat Pack or a SS to a RT. Even though the SS and the RT basically like the same car, the RT just got a Hemi. So I'd rather jump from SS to a Scat. Or yeah, SS to a Scat, Scat to a Hellcat, then keep going. You hear me? You gotta level up. You can't just jump from. You can't go from the bottom to the top. You gotta go from the bottom, middle, then to the top. Like you get me? That's how I look at it. I'm not gonna disrespect. Not disrespect, but I'm not gonna just gonna jump from an SS to a Hellcat. And that's stuff I do to my SS I can't do in a Hellcat because that Hellcat is just like it's instant power. It's instant. I'm gonna stop mumbling and all that. Like, comment, subscribe for the video. Yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell for more notifications and stuff. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of what's this, July? By my birthday. I'm trying to hit 1,000. My birthday, September 13th. Let's see if that's possible. You know, let's just see if that's possible. Trying to hit the 1,000 subs by my birthday, September 13th. Your boy be 19, out here doing his thing. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah, tell Monster to sponsor me. That's all I need. Tell Monster to sponsor your boy. That's it. We out here just like that. You hear me? Y'all have a blessed one. Stay blessed. You hear me? Yeah, always remember, it's that Black SS. You hear me?